Let's discuss about total cost of ownership. What is total cost of ownership? A total life cycle cost or total acquisition cost. When we purchase the material, we pay a price to a supplier, that is a purchasing price. But this is not the only cost we do. There will be installation charges, delivery charges. The concept of total life cycle cost takes into account the cost incurred during the useful life, not just a price. So as per modern procurement view, cost and value are much broader concepts than just the purchase price of a material. Total cost of ownership includes a bunch of costs apart from the purchasing price, which may be incurred throughout the life cycle of the material. Hence, it is clear that total cost of ownership is very much different from purchase price, and total cost of ownership offers betterment and better understanding. Total cost of ownership can be categorized as pre-acquisition cost, acquisition cost, operating cost, maintenance cost, downtime cost, and end of life cycle cost. Let's see some examples for these categories. Pre-acquisition cost, that is cost incurred prior to the actual purchasing action. Examples are research cost, sourcing cost, etc. Acquisition cost. Examples are purchasing cost, delivery cost, etc. Installation cost, etc. Next is operating cost. The cost incurred to run the machinery or to operate the machine. Examples are labor cost, material cost, energy uses, etc. Maintenance cost. Examples are service invoice, replacements of parts, repair cost, etc. Downtime cost. If the asset fails to perform or stop working, then there will be a downtime cost such as extra labor cost, cost of lost productions, etc. End of life cycle cost. Once the material useful life is over and is being replaced with new or alternative items, there will be some cost incurred. Examples are disposal cost, decommissioning cost, etc. By looking at various costs, we can say purchase price is just the tip of iceberg. There are many other important costs to be considered, not just a purchase price. This is especially important for the case of capital equipment procurement, where the product has considerably long life cycle. Total cost of ownership considers the cost of purchase across the products and their life cycle. Therefore, it occurs a more accurate basis for choosing among alternatives in purchasing decision. We can say the item with the lower total cost of ownership is better value item in long run. Thanks for watching. Thank you.